We've reported on the abortion amendment in Arkansas not becoming certified after a controversial lawsuit.
Tonight, we're getting a better idea now on where two other amendment groups that joined the same lawsuit stand. 5 News reporter Kayla Davis is here now with the latest on this.
That's right. Both the casino and medical marijuana amendments are awaiting the final Arkansas Supreme Court decision in the pending lawsuit against Secretary of State John Thurston to certify both of those items onto the November ballot. But in the meantime, legal arguments have been heard from a group attempting to block the casino amendment, while the group behind the medical marijuana initiative has continued to collect signatures. This week, arguments were heard to challenge the Pope County Casino License Amendment from getting on the November ballot. The group challenging the amendment rested their case on Thursday. Attorneys for the group behind the amendment, Local Voters in Charge, or LVC, argued their case on Friday. The special master in the case must submit his report to Arkansas Supreme Court by September 9th. LVC sent 5 News a statement saying in part, "At this time, Local Voters in Charge will not be releasing any comment regarding the specifics of this week's legal hearings challenging the proposed local voter control of casino gambling amendment. However, we remain confident in our position defending the more than 116,000 registered voters whose signatures were verified on this petition." As for the medical marijuana amendment, Arkansans for Patient Access, or APA, announced on Friday they collected another 38,938 signatures during the cure period because they were short after Secretary of State John Thurston's first count.
For the last 30 days, both National Ballot Access and Verified Arkansas have been gathering signatures trying to get that last 13,000 to cover the cure period. And we far exceeded what was required.
Out of the nearly 39,000 signatures, 18,000 were collected by paid canvassers. The lawsuit the Supreme Court is reviewing right now argues the medical marijuana group did not submit the correct documents confirming their paid canvassers received background checks.
If we don't get those 18,000 signatures, we still have 20,000 signatures, which I think will be more than enough for those 13,000. And so I fully expect us to be on the ballot.
Just to be clear, if the Supreme Court rules in favor of Thurston's office, the casino amendment could still be seen on the ballot in November, but the votes will not be counted. That's because the casino amendment was certified before they joined in on that lawsuit. No matter how the Supreme Court rules, the medical marijuana amendment should be on the ballot and the votes will be counted because they presumably have enough additional signatures collected from the cure period. Kayla Davis, 5 News.